That's right. It is still a very big storm. You can see the eye of the storm right here, but it stretches far and wide. In fact, it's still the size of France at the moment. It's still a Category 5 hurricane, so still very damaging indeed. The winds have dropped to around 175 miles an hour. That's still very strong, and top gusts are still at around 200 miles per hour. Torrential rain expected and 20-foot storm surges, which will continue to cause more damage. It's across Turks and Caicos at the moment, heading towards Cuba, and then this is the expected track as we head through this weekend. It looks like it will be going right through the centre of Florida. As you can see, Miami is right in the firing line, and because it's going to be going up the middle, it could mean that both sides are going to be fairly badly affected. Then we've got Hurricane Jose, which is following in behind. In fact, the same path as Irma. That's a Category 3 hurricane, 120-mile-an-hour winds, and there's going to be some big storm surges. It is going to be heading towards the same parts. As you can see, Barbuda is likely to be affected. 90% of the buildings and structures have already been damaged there, and it will certainly hamper the relief effort there. But the good news is that it is going to start heading north and stay in the Atlantic. So that's the latest on all of this. I'll keep you updated as we head through the programme.